iPhone 16 series fix if the Wi-Fi is not working. So what do you do if your Wi-Fi isn't working on your iPhone? The first thing you can try to do is try to turn on airplane mode and try to disable airplane mode again, and also try to turn on Wi-Fi and try to turn off Wi-Fi. Try to switch between multiple connections. Now, if you're having issue with only one Wi-Fi, other Wi-Fi is working fine, the issue is with your modem or your internet connection itself. So also check if the Wi-Fi is working on other devices. So if your Wi-Fi is also not working on other devices and on your iPhone, it's the problem with internet. But if your Wi-Fi is working on other devices but not on your iPhone, then we can come to a conclusion that there's something wrong with the iPhone. So a couple of things that we can do is, first of all, we can open up settings, then just go to general option as you can see right there. Then just scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset, then tap on reset all settings. This will erase all the network settings as well. So after that, you can try to give your iPhone a simple restart, and then that should help you solve the problem. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.